Introducing Ultherapy Prime. Featuring advanced system technology and vivid real-time visualization built on a legacy of proven results. Ultherapy Prime's real-time visualization allows the user to see and target the optimal treatment depths, creating a non-invasive lift tailored to each patient's anatomical needs. By creating thermocoagulation points, TCPs, at the optimal neocollagenesis temperature of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, Ultherapy Prime helps jumpstart the body's own collagen and elastin production. Now, the regenerative process begins. Phase 1, temporary inflammation associated with the healing process. Macrophages engulf and digest injured tissue and release cytokines which attract fibroblasts. Phase 2, proliferation. Fibroblasts synthesize new collagen and elastin to rebuild the collagen matrix. Phase 3, maturation and remodeling. Type 3 collagen is replaced by type 1 collagen, forming tight crosslinks. This collagen remodeling process promotes long-lasting skin lifting and tightening results. See the unique and truly personalized lift for yourself. Experience the power of Ultherapy Prime, the lift you can see.